Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on REALME GT8 Pro. So first go into the quick settings and click and hold the Wi-Fi, then more settings. First disable and then enable once again to restart. Click the information icon next to your Wi-Fi, then disconnect and forget. Then just try to put the pin once again and connect. And if it's not working for you still, then you need to restart your phone and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.